Hey everyone, and welcome to another big, bright, beautiful day in Construction Town. Look over there. It's Benny the Bulldozer waking up with a big yawn and a rumble of his engine. Benny loves his job. Every day he gets to move big piles of dirt and clear land for new buildings. But today, Benny feels a little different. He looks around at the tall, grey buildings and the wide, flat roads. It's all very useful, but something is missing. Where is the fun? Where is the laughter? Benny rumbles over to his best friend, Connie the crane. "Connie," he says, his big blade drooping a little, "don't you think our town needs more colour, more fun?" Connie lifts her long neck high into the air and looks around. "You know, Benny," she chirps, "I think you're right. All work and no play makes Construction Town a very dull place. What do you have in mind?" Benny's engine revs with excitement. "I have an idea. A wonderful, wobbly, super fun idea. Let's build a playground." Connie thinks this is the best idea she's ever heard. Soon all their friends join in. There's Danny the digger with his scoopy shovel and Ricky the roller who can make any surface super smooth. Benny takes charge, his engine humming with purpose. "Okay, team, first we need to find the perfect spot." They search the town and find a big empty lot right in the center. It's a bit lumpy and bumpy, but that's no problem for Benny. He lowers his big blade and gets to work, pushing the dirt and leveling the ground until it's perfectly flat. Next up is Danny the digger. "We need a giant sandbox." Benny calls out. Danny gets to work, digging a huge, shallow pit. He carefully scoops out the earth, piling it neatly to the side. While he digs, Ricky the roller is busy. He rolls back and forth over the area where the swings will go, making the ground safe and firm. It's amazing to watch them all work together, each one using their special skills. The playground is starting to take shape, and the whole town is buzzing with excitement. Now, for the best part, the equipment. Connie the crane carefully lifts a bright red slide into place. It's twisty and super tall. Then she brings over a set of bright yellow swings. Benny uses his blade to gently nudge them into their final position. Danny helps dig the holes for the bouncy spring riders, shaped like little dump trucks and cement mixers. They even add a colourful jungle gym that looks like a mini construction site. They work all day, and as the sun begins to set, they stand back and look at what they've built. It's not just a playground, it's a masterpiece. The slide is a shiny red, the swings are a sunny yellow, and the sandbox is filled with clean white sand. The next morning, the sound of laughter fills the air as all the little trucks and cars come out to play. They zip down the slide, soar high on the swings, and build magnificent castles in the sand. Benny the bulldozer watches them, his engine purring with happiness. He didn't just move dirt today. He built a place for joy and friendship, and that was the best job of all. Thanks for joining us on this wonderful building adventure with Benny. If you loved seeing Construction Town get its very own playground, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time.